Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you're doing some fitness at home, then you may consider getting a sitting box. This one from Balanced Body is so versatile and really sturdy. I absolutely love using it. As you may be familiar with home reformers, I do not have a Balanced Body reformer. However, what I really like is that the box works just as well with my other brand name. You can put this horizontally or vertically on your home reformer and do all of the exercises that you need to using it. It feels nice and sturdy. It's made of a really hard, dense foam, and it does fit over my armrest without any problems. And I also really like it because you can use this just on the floor. It provides lots of stability for doing some abdominal exercises or even for some back exercises. And it's also really great and handy for just sitting on the floor, as you can see. And so I'm really like using it. Balanced Body is a really well-known brand. They make a lot of great fitness equipment, and they do not fall short in this reformer box Lite. That's what this is called because it is the foam version. However, as I mentioned, this is really awesome. I'm super glad that I added it to my home workout stuff, and I'm sure you would be as well. And that's just my point of view.